Boy, this grass is wet, isn't it?
I didn't get wet spots on me too bad, but
They're just some spots. Whoa!
We were just talking about roly-polies. That's kind of what paw is out there.
Mm-hmm.
roly-poly.
Put your hands out. Oh, I'm gonna hit those hands yet.
Oh, he's behind the post.
Okay,
You have to do it again, Paw.
Whoa!
Oh, I got a good one.
You get wet?
Oh, Sam. Gentle.
Put your hands out. Put your hands
Go
out.
easy, buddy.
Oh, you almost caught it. Put your hands out. Oh, you got it.
Oh, I got some good ones.
Stay on, be gentle.
Okay, put your hands
Well,
out.
he feels he has to have enough force to knock Paw over a little there.
Hmm.
Whoa!